up, guys? It's your girl IbbyInspired, and I am back with another video. Yes. As you can tell by today's title, we are going to be doing another wig review. I just love wig reviews because I love wigs. I love different styles. I love different looks with my different outfits. We're going to be doing a wig review on this beautiful Yaki 26-inch from the new Swiss lace wig Cloud 9 collection. A lot of people are raving about this wig because it's gorgeous. I mean, look at it. If you guys want to see a review on this beautiful wig, keep watching. And don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to IbbyInspired to become a part of that IbbyInspired fam bam. You know, we need our sisters, aunties, uncles, nephews, everybody come on, let's go. And without further ado, let's get into the review. Okay guys, so I have this wig right here. This is called Yaki 26-inch. I guess it doesn't have a name, but it is from the Cloud 9 Sensational Swiss Lace Wig Collection. I actually just discovered this collection. It's pretty much supposed to be as realistic as they come. And I got T1B30. So as you can see, it's this blonde wig here. Have not worn it yet. It is fresh out the box, honey. So you guys, I just wanted to show you guys what the wig tag actually looks like. So as you can see, the model has 3 different hairstyles, and as you can also see, she has it up in this high ponytail, and you can leave it down and you can braid it up as well. So let's see if the wig actually does what the model is modeling. So to start off with, we're about to remove and humble ourselves. This is a really old wig that I have. And as always, I always start with my Can 2 Shea Butter for natural hair edge control. And I just like to gel the edges back, just to make sure we get a smooth look when we put on the wig. I hate when my edges show and they don't match the wig. Okay guys, so now that is done, I'm going to put on the wig first without cutting the lace, because I just want to show you guys what the lace looks like. So first thoughts with this wig is that it is really soft, and look at how it moves. Yes, love it already. Really like the color. I love this. It's kind of like a honey blonde type of brown color, and it seems like it is sitting down pretty flat. And again, I still have the lace on. This definitely is big head girl friendly. And let's see what this parting looks like. So it has a good space to it. I might pluck it a little bit more because I think it's still a little thin. Let's go ahead and put our fingers through it. What? Okay. So I think we might just do a style. Look at this, guys. Wow, I am amazed right now. This is really nice. Look at that. What in the... Okay, let me find out. Okay guys, so off camera I cut the wig, and I do want to let you guys know that this is the spacing that you have. So see if it says it on the box. I would say it doesn't say anything on the labeling, but it's about, I would say about 3 to 4 inches of parting space. So that's really nice. It also has 2 combs behind that lace, and then it has 1 comb behind the head, and it has the adjustable straps as well. So this is looking really nice, and it really doesn't look like you have to do any plucking. This is individually hand tied, so that is really nice. Wow, we stepping it up in 2019. Hey. So literally all I did was take some of my MAC Studio Fix foundation, powder foundation, in the color NW48, which is my color. Just went ahead and took a brush and I just put some of that powder on the lace underneath. And you really didn't even have to do that, to be honest. This is crazy, guys. For a synthetic wig, this is amazing, amazing, amazing. Now, pretty much everywhere I went for the for this wig, it was sold out. In the 1B and the natural hair colors, but I love blonde as well, so I decided to go with blonde. So we are going to, oh my gosh, I love this, and just brushing it and everything. This is so cute. I look so chic. Okay, you guys, so obviously I'm not the best with baby hairs, but it was really, really easy to create baby hairs on this wig. I'm not a big baby hair fan anyway, so I just went ahead and did some really light baby hair parting, and this is what the wig looks like. So here are my pros and my cons. So pros, I love the color. Oh my goodness. Like, sis, like, I is deceased. The color is gorgeous. It's blonde and it's not a crazy blonde, which is what I love. The parting on this baby is also amazing. I did not have to pluck anything at freaking all. That's crazy. Even for a normal human hair wig, you usually have to part and do all this crazy stuff to it and pluck and whatever the case may be. You definitely didn't have to do that with this wig. Can we please talk to the human hair companies to do the same thing, please? I also love the length, and I love that it's so soft. As always, I love soft, really soft wigs and easy to brush, and I look cute. Cons about this wig is that the baby hairs are a little too long, but I mean, I kind of like that the baby hairs are long, because you can kind of customize it based off of your liking. For the shedding, there is shedding with this wig, guys, and I noticed that a lot of synthetic straight hair wigs do have a lot of shedding. I don't know why. Yeah, it has shedding, and it's actually shedding a little bit on my shirt, so that's one thing I can say. Also, I am a little bit heavy-handed when it comes to wigs. I'd be like running through my fingers through it, so I don't know if it's like shedding or if it's shedding, but sis, it's shedding. The price on this wig retails for $43.99 at Sam's Beauty, but I will leave other links down below. I know you can get the wig a little bit cheaper on other sites, but again, a lot of the sites are sold out of this wig, so I got this wig from Sam's Beauty, and again, it was in the color T1B30. So go ahead and check out those links and see if they have restocked. Thank you so much for watching this wig review, guys. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.